So we're here with the Storm SS battery powered floor scraper. One of the components of this machine that you may have to change someday would be this tilt cylinder. We have a new one laying here, and we're going to show a few things here. It's going to make it easier for if you do have to change this out. First thing we're going to do before we turn the machine off, we're going to tilt the machine all the way down. We're going to remove the adapter plate. We're going to remove our access cover with a 9/16 socket. Okay, we're going to use a pair of pliers and pull the cotter pin out on one side. We can wiggle that and get this pin over to one side. Now we're going to take the hydraulic lines loose. Okay, so we've got one hydraulic hose here. We're going to take it loose. Take it off. We're going to tilt this plate all the way down. Now we're all loose there. And we're going to move to the top and get the top hydraulic hose off. Okay, so we're going to take the hydraulic hose off of the top fitting here. Take it off, move it out of the way, and pull a pin off of the cylinder pin. We're going to support the cylinder. We're going to pull this pin from the top loose. Then we're going to drop the cylinder down and then pull it out of the front hole here in the front of the machine. Okay, so we're looking here at the cylinder we just took out. We're going to compare it to the cylinder you're going to put back in. Make sure Nathan sent you the right one. We're going to remove these two plugs. We're going to take the fittings out of the old cylinder. Be sure and note the orientation of the direction of the fittings, which way they point, so we can install them in there. We're going to use either thread tape or pipe dope and put on those. We're going to get them tight, and we're going to reinstall it back into the machine. Okay, so I've got the top hose started back on the top port. Shouldn't be able to put the hoses in the wrong place because one of them wouldn't be long enough to reach the bottom one. So we're going to tighten that up, get it good and snug. Move down to the bottom one. We're going to get it started, and we're going to snug it up. All right, we got the pins in, hose is tight. We're ready to turn it on and test it. Okay, let's put the cover plate back on. Make sure you get all 4 bolts started, get them threaded in there before you tighten any of them. Make it a lot easier to get all 4 of them started. Now we're ready to put the tooling back on the front.